Hello friends, so welcome to Crypto, the one-stop solution, and in this video we are going to discuss what is a smart trade bot and why we are using that bot, what are the parameters connected to the bot, and on which platform we can use that smart trade bot. So briefly speaking, the smart trade bot is an intelligent bot which will work 24/7 for you, and you can use it to schedule buying and selling at the same time with the take profit and the stop loss, which can help you to get the uptrend profit and avoid the risk of huge losses. So that is the main purpose of smart trend. Now smart trade consists of three parts: buy-in settings, take profit setting, and the stop loss setting. So these are three parameters that we need to establish when we are creating the smart trade bot. After these three parts of parameter are confirmed, you will start your smart trade strategy. With a smart trade, you can make an inestimable profit with an controllable loss and never to need consistently monitor the markets anymore. Okay, so basically this is used when the market is pumping significantly with respect to time in a short period. Then you can use the smart trade. So in this case, the stop loss amount is very less and the take profit amounts can be very high if the market is pumping in a short period of time continuously in the upward direction. So in that case, you can use a trailing stop loss, and you don't have to monitor the market continuously. That will save a lot of time, and all the potential profit from the market can be captured. So why do you need the smart trade? If you have tried our grid trading bot before, you know that the grid bot is more suitable for the volatile market, and the greater the volatility it is, the higher grid profit that the bot can make. However, when the bull market comes or some cryptos pump in a short period of time, then the grid profit will be less than the profit in holding due to the mechanism of grid trading bot. So let us say if the bot is having the range of, let's say, $100 to $200 and the price is 150, and you're starting the bot at $150. So what the grid bot will do, it will buy when the market is falling and will sell when the market is rising. And let us say in that case, the take profit price is $200. And after hitting the $200 mark, the bot will automatically close in the case of grid trading bot. But if you are using the smart trade bot, let us say the market is rising up till $400, then the grid bot was automatically closed at $200. So you have missed the profit from $200 mark to $400 mark because the market has pumped till 400. So that profit will be captured from the smart trade robot. So here you can see that this is a sideways market from this time period till this time period. This is the sideways market, and from this time period the market is rising significantly in the short time frame. So we can have a trailing stop loss, and when the market is pumping a lot, then all the profit is captured, and when the trailing stop loss is hit, then only the bot is closed. So the bot will be closed at this section when the trailing stop loss is hit, and we have captured this entire profit from the market in the short period of time. So that is the main purpose of the smart trade robot. So in this case, we can see that when the currency price is rising to the trigger price, the trailing stop loss profit strategy is turned on and the trailing percentage is 5%. So in this case, you can see that the market is rising. In this case, we have the trailing stop loss at 5%. So when there is a pullback of 5% or more, then only the bot will be closed and all the profit will be taken from the market. So only until the price goes down and achieves the maximum price trailing percentage of 5%, and only then the bot is automatically closed. So in this case, the price was $154.03. As we can see, smart trade is a good option for fluctuations and uptrend such as Pionex leverage tokens or other popular cryptocurrency, and can help you catch up the uptrending market without worrying about the sudden drop of the market. So sudden pump into the market can be captured with this robot. So in this case, you can see that this is the smart trade robot interface of Pionex.com. We are using the pair of Ethereum and USDT. This is the trading bot, and this is the manual section. You can use the automated parameters to create this bot. In this case, this is the buying price and this is the buying quantity. You can enter the parameters and set the slider of the amount of investment that you need to put in to create the bot. Also, we can have the take profit, and we can set up the trailing take profit, which is in the range of 5%, 10%, 15% and 20% each. And there is a stop loss. So when there is no stop loss, that means you can set it to 0 if you don't want to stop loss and hold the coin for the longer period of time. So these are the parameters that you need to put in to initiate the robot. Next is the buy-in setting. The following info needs to be filled in: the buy price and the buy quantity. We only support buy-in with the limit price currently, and the buy quantity. After filling in the purchase quantity, smart trade will automatically calculate the corresponding investment amount and the proportion. You can also drag the slider directly to set the investment funds. So here you can see that this is the slider, and we can pull this slider and we can calculate the amount of investment that is required to create this robot, and that is done using this slider. Next is the take profit setting. There are two modes of take profit. First is the fixed price take profit and the trailing profit. You can tick the trailing profit option and on and off so that we can capture the entire pump of the market, and that is a useful feature using the trailing take profit feature of the robot. First is the fixed price take profit. In this case, the trailing take profit is turned off, and if the trailing profit is turned on, then only at the pullback the bot will be closed and all the profit will be taken from the market. Next is the stop loss setting. You just need to fill the price that you want to close the bot and stop loss. If you don't want to sell the asset at the current price, then you can set the stop loss value to be equal to 0. And in that case, when the stop loss is hit, all the coins will be converted into that cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency will be converted and hold into the wallet, and that can be hodled into the longer period of time and can be sold after some period. So if you want to hold that coin for maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line, then this stop loss setting will be turned equal to 0. So these are the parameters that we need to put in. The buy price, buy quantity, slider is the amount of investment that is required to set up the bot. Available balance is here. Take profit, you can turn the trailing take profit on and off. And we can set the trailing percentage equal to 5, 10, 15 and 20%. And this is the trailing percentage that you can put in. Okay, so now let us discuss the risk warning. Both the fixed price take profit and trailing stop loss and take profit will be executed by the market price. Therefore, in that case of violent market fluctuation, the large buy and sell volume may directly affect the market price. Pionex recommends that you should confirm the depth and liquidity of the investment portfolio before using the smart trade to avoid the risk. Pionex does not recommend investing a large amount of money into cryptos with poor depth and liquidity. So let us say for in the case of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the liquidity and the volume is very high, so that the issue will not arise. But let's say if the volume and liquidity is very low, so due to risk and spread and the fees, we need to check the liquidity and volatility and the volume of that cryptocurrency to initiate the smart trade robot. So that is the very important parameter before creating the smart trade robot. So that's it for this video, and in the next section we will discuss about. Okay friends, so that's it for this video, and in the next section we are going to discuss about the trailing buy robot and the trailing sell robot.